Hello guys, what's up? Hope you guys are doing well. In this video, I'm going to share a potential stock setups from railway sector for swing trading this week. And a quick disclaimer, this video is just for learning purpose. If you're making losses, I'm not responsible for it. Kindly do your own research and then trade. And this is our website. You can check out all the courses we are providing, and you can connect with me through the social media handles provided here, and all the links are in the description, guys. Kindly check it out. So let's get into the video. And this is the stock that is from the railway sector. IRFC is nothing but the Indian Railway Finance Corporation, and you can see railway sector is doing very good in the current time, and you can see all the stocks from the railway sector are doing well. So this stock has already broke out from a big base and gave a good set of leg on rally, and again it formed a base and again gave a good rally, and it is now in the currently in the third stage, which is the latest stage base. So kindly uh, do stage analysis. Stage analysis is done here. Third stage is late stage. You shouldn't enter that, because in the third stage you will get very less amount percentage of move, whereas you see in the first and second stage. But in this stock you can see there is no sign of weakness here. In the first stage it is done well, and with good volumes pop up, it is rising up. And you can see in the second stage there is no selling volumes in the base. Again it broke out and again it gave a wonderful move, and you can see now again it forming a base. There is no big selling volumes and there is no weakness in this setup. So I have a high priority in this setup because it is accumulated with good volumes. So if it breaks above this region, then it will give you a good breakout and it will move around. So kindly keep a watch or have a proper entry tactics to enter in the particular pivotal areas to have a lower risk. Next is the stock from railway sector, same railway sector, Eincon International, which is also and moved a long from the big base. It also gave a wonderful move in the past, and you can see now it is forming a big base kind of structure, and it is near the all-time highs and it is ready to break. So kindly keep a watch on this sector. You can see volumes are popping, and you can see there are pivots that are forming. Keep a watch. And next is the RVNL. I like this setup very much. You can see same multiple stages that are formed in IRFC is seen here. You can see after a big base it came out and gave a first leg of rally, and again it formed a big base and gave a second leg of rally, and again you can see it formed a big base and gave a good rally, and now again it formed a base. It has around 3 to 4 bases, and now it has consolidated for around 3 to 4 months, and it is forming a bigger base which will break out in one of week 2. You have to have a proper risk entry here, and you can trade this setup. Always have a proper risk with good reward. Use stop loss. Don't trade without stop loss. Have a proper stop loss for your system and trade it. If you're very serious about trading and want to learn more about it, you can connect through our social media handles and reach out to me. You can also check out all the links are in the description of the YouTube video.
For the Twitter account is in the description of this video, guys. If you're very serious about trading, you can join that. That's it, guys. Be positive, focus on your goals, believe in it, and keep learning. Thank you, guys. Meet you soon in another video. Thank you.